Hi, I'm Patrick Antipesto. Aristotle's model of communication. Next, what is Aristotle's model of communication? The Aristotle model of communication is a one-way linear model focused on persuasion. The speaker plays the important role in delivering a message effectively to influence the audience. It is mainly used in a public speaking and rhetoric and does not consider feedback. It is broadly divided into five primary elements: speaker, speech, occasion, audience, effect. The speaker will be deliver the speech to the target, audience will the effect will start, and the occasion will be setting of the speaker's speech. For example, speaker play a important role. She discuss a business talk and the audience is a listener. The effect is the business talk is success. Basic concept. Speaker play an important role in the public speaking. The speaker must prepare his speech, analyze audience need before he enter into the stage. His word should influence in the audience mind and persuade their thoughts towards.
Thank you for watching this information video. Everyone, I hope that you have learned something.